In an update now, the city of Flint and Hasselbring Senior Center were back in court today as the city looks to evict the nonprofit that runs the center.
It comes after many months of negotiations between the two parties that resulted in the city announcing it would be taking over control of the center.
Our David Sackrider was there. He shows us what happened and what's next for the future of Hasselbring.
Supporters of the Hasselbring Senior Center packed the courtroom here in Burton today. In fact, so many people turned out that they had to turn some people away, forced to watch the proceedings from the lobby. Those in attendance carried signs to signal their support for the nonprofit that runs the center, which is currently facing eviction from the city.
The operative lease in this matter, according to its terms, expired at the conclusion of September 30th of 2016.
City Attorney Joseph Cups says they gave plenty of notice and the center has not had a proper lease since October 2016. Harold Millhouse, the attorney for Hasselbring, says a new lease was proposed back in August. It just needs approval from the city council, who postponed it indefinitely.
Because without the checks and balances within the city can run amok on every nonprofit organization in the city.
After close to an hour of deliberation, Judge Jessica Hammond issuing her decision.
I do believe that the city of Flint prevails on the legal merits of this case. There's a landlord-tenant matter, and the law is exceptionally clear in landlord-tenant matters. However, I have the ability, as a judge, to adjourn this matter if I find good cause to do so.
She decided to give the council one more opportunity to pass the previously agreed to lease.
But if they don't, and the matter remains tabled indefinitely by the city council, then I believe that my next decision is probably going to comport with the statutes and court rules of the state of Michigan.
But hopefully they'll put their pride aside, their selfishness aside, and do what's right for the community.
In Burton, David Sackrider, ABC 12 News.
In a statement responding to the ruling, the city of Flint says, quote, "We remain committed to transparency and ensuring that the interests of the Flint community, particularly our senior residents, are upheld throughout this process."